Hey there, taxpayers, it's tax season again, and let's face it, nobody enjoys this time of year. But this year, there's an added layer of fun. I'm kidding, it's terrible news. Potential tax refund delays. Why, you ask? Well, blame it on the shrinking IRS workforce. You see, the Trump administration has proposed some hefty cuts to the IRS, slashing over 6,000 employees. Now, I'm no math whiz, but less people doing the same amount of work usually means things slow down. In this case, it's your tax refund that's stuck in slow motion. Fewer IRS employees mean longer phone wait times, slower customer service, and a backlog of tax returns. It's like trying to get through airport security during peak season, but instead of a vacation, you're just trying to get your own money back. So what's a responsible taxpayer to do in this chaotic tax season? Well, stay tuned, because I'm about to hit you with some knowledge. Alright folks, here's the deal. If you want to increase your chances of getting your tax refund on time, or at least in this lifetime, file early. And when I say early, I mean as soon as you have all your W-2s and documents ready. Think of it like this. The earlier you file, the shorter the line you're in. You get a head start, avoid the last-minute rush, and give the IRS ample time to process your return. It's a win-win situation, unless you enjoy the adrenaline rush of filing on April 14th. And while you're at it, ditch the paper forms and embrace the wonders of electronic filing. E-filing is faster, more secure, and reduces the chances of errors. Plus, you can get your refund through direct deposit, which is like the express lane for your money. Remember, in the game of tax refunds, early and electronic is the name of the game. Now, while tax refund delays are a pain for everyone, they hit low-income families the hardest. Many rely on refunds from tax credits like the child tax credit and earned income tax credit to make ends meet. These refunds often mean putting food on the table, keeping a roof overhead, or covering essential expenses. When refunds are delayed, it throws their entire budget into disarray, creating unnecessary stress and hardship. It's like waiting for a lifeline that's stuck in bureaucratic quicksand. These families depend on these refunds, and delays can have a ripple effect on their lives. So while some might see tax refund delays as a minor inconvenience, for others, it's a serious issue with real consequences. But hey, there's a glimmer of hope on the horizon. Let's talk about the IRS Direct File Pilot Program. Alright, so you've filed your taxes and now you're playing the waiting game. Don't worry, the IRS has a handy-dandy tool for that. Where's My Refund? You can access this tool on the IRS website or through their app. Just plug in your Social Security number, or ITN, filing status, and the exact refund amount. Voila, you'll get an update on your refund status. Now while you wait, and hopefully it's not too long, here are some bonus tips to survive tax season. Double-check your return. Errors are a surefire way to delay your refund. Go over your forms with a fine-tooth comb before hitting submit. Respond to IRS notices promptly. If the IRS needs additional information, don't ignore them. Respond quickly to avoid further delays. Consider seeking professional help. If your tax situation is complex, it might be worth consulting a tax professional. Remember, knowledge is power, and maybe a little bit of patience helps too, during tax season. Stay informed, file early, and may the tax odds be ever in your favor.